Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome back to our channel. In this episode of Travelcations, we're taking you to a place that's straight out of a fairy tale, the magical Altit Fort, in the heart of the legendary Hunza Valley, Pakistan. But before we dive into the mesmerizing beauty of Altit Fort, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming travel adventures. Fort is a true gem nestled in the rugged landscapes of Hunza Valley. This 1100-year-old masterpiece isn't just a pile of stones, it's a whisper of the past. Altit Fort is one of the oldest and most well-preserved forts in the region. It's a living testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the people who built it. As you wander through its narrow corridors and climb its stone steps, you can feel the echoes of centuries past. The intricate woodwork, traditional architecture, and stunning views from the top make it a must-visit destination for any traveler. And do not miss the panoramic views of the Hunza Valley from the fort's strategic vantage point. It's like stepping into a postcard with the majestic Karakoram Range as your backdrop. Altit is not just about the bricks and stones. It's also a doorway to the rich culture of the Hunza people. You'll have the chance to interact with locals, learn about their traditions, and maybe even savor some authentic Hunza cuisine. So, whether you're a nature lover or just someone seeking a unique travel experience, Altit Fort in the Hunza Valley should be on your bucket list while your visit to Pakistan. you have it. Whether you're a history buff or simply seeking vibrant experiences, Altit Fort in the Hunza Valley should be on your bucket list while your visit to Pakistan. Stay tuned for more travel adventures, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content.